What's up guys, Lego Okapi here, and today we're going to be doing a little build and review of the Lego Minecraft Bee Cottage. This is number 21241, has 254 pieces, and it's basically a Minecraft house in the shape of a bee, and it has Lego bees everywhere. That comes with a honey bear, a honey bear player, lots of bees, angry bee, and a baby zombie. So this could be kind of interesting. I've never done anything like this before. It's been roughly over 10 years since I've last played with Lego or built with Lego, and this is my first Minecraft Lego set. So let's get started on the build. I'm trying to figure out how to open it. I have scissors on standby, but I just found out back here. All I gotta do is just push down here and here, so I can try and open it. There we go. And okay, I'll be back when I have the thing opened. Okay, I got the box opened. Okay, so there are numbers. This might be for the bee cottage. This might be the ground. That's number 1. Okay. Here's the instruction book. And let's scan this QR code. Okay, this might be some production feed stuff. Whatever. Let me look at this. So, excited for new packaging. We're switching from plastic to paper-based packaging. That's why you might find a mix of paper and plastic in our boxes. Builder. Okay, so I'm going to try and build the players if I can. Okay, I'm looking at the pieces. This might be for flowers and some blocks in the game. I see some clear blocks that could be for the honey bottles. I was told honey jars by my mom, but that's what it's called in the game. Okay, I see the Minecraft hoe right there. And then some other stuff. I see some bee heads. And then, what is MTL what I need? Okay, so there's the baby zombie body. Oh, there we go. So, the bear, okay, like that. Oh, okay. I'm not sure where the head went. But yeah, this is the start of what I gotta do. I'll try and find the heads for both of these later. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start building. If you like this, be sure to give it a like, subscribe if you want to, and let's see what I can do here. Okay, I'm starting to get the base together. Now I gotta put together this and that. Like that. Also, I just noticed this. This guy. I'm guessing it's like a little progression thing. See? I'm guessing he'll be over here by the time it's done. So yeah, so I guess this. It's like, guess you can spin it. It can now go right here, I think. There. And then I have to put another, oh wait, it shows another one right here. I'm guessing this is part of the birch tree. And then this here and this here. Like that. And then, okay, time for axles. Somewhere over here. I'll find it. Oh, it's right there. I'll be back in a bit. Okay, I just built this right here. I'm guessing it might be part of a beehive, and then look over in the next page it is, and it goes right onto this little jumper plate. I like how it's kind of modular because I could just take it off. And that's where a bee is going. So put one of these clear rods on it, like so. And I'll be back when I have the first bee. And there's a little bee, the first of 4, I think. 5 being the bee cottage, which is not built yet. But yay! Okay, we got an angry bee here. Look at that thing. You know, there's another bee I had to build here. Also, it took me a while to build this little rose and this little garden here. So yeah, so far so good. Okay, my camera stopped working for some reason, but I got back. But yeah, I gotta start working on the 2 bees here. I'll build one of them for you guys. Basically, we're taking this like that. Another one here. Placing this one on top. So it's not gonna be part of that. That's where something else goes. Doing that. Placing this above. And then I think that's it. I guess I just guessing place it in here now. Oh yeah, that works. I'll get the other one set up. Okay, so it actually did. I did check the camera footage. I was trying to complain. I was trying to tell you guys about this little bit. How if I open this up, all these studs I had to fix. Yeah, so it somehow didn't capture it, so I had to record the data, and yeah, didn't finish recording that. So yeah, I had to make sure to get these studs in the right place. I wasn't so sure, so I had to double check what it said here. And yeah, I had to fix it a couple times, but yeah. So putting that there, and guessing this could be part of the birch tree. Okay, I'm getting started on the birch tree, and this kind of interesting way to connect the pieces together. That's kind of interesting. Look at that. So here's part 1. Part 1 or bag 1 of the sets completed. This is gonna be a 2-parter video. But yeah, that's kind of interesting so far. Even got the bees spinning around their beehive. But yeah, so far this is kind of amazing. I'm going to post part 2 within a couple of days. So if you're enjoying this, thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.